In this video, I open lots of Prime Christmas presents. I'm talking Prime hoodies, Prime bath bombs, Prime chocolate, Prime lights, and even Prime cotton candy.
Alright, everything has arrived. Let's see what we've got. I will give away some Prime to someone who likes, comments and subscribes on this video.
First thing, we have a custom Prime Glowberry keyring. I'm not sure what this is. If you know, comment down below. Thanks Dimension 7. Nice, we've got some Prime stickers. Black, orange, blue, and more black. Ooh, a grape bath bomb. An ice pop bath bomb. Let's see what's in this one. Oh wow, Prime Glowberry cotton candy. I can't wait to try this. Blue raspberry cotton candy. Oh wow, there is a lot in here. A bottle of lemonade. Oh, it's got a sticker on it. Thank you. Zombie Takis, Jolly Rancher, and some other candy. Please check out our website and enjoy the freebies. Thank you for the free stuff. Ooh, a bubblegum and blue raspberry lollipop. Unicorn rolls. Gummy donuts, zoo pops, Takis. I'm gonna eat this now. That was actually nice. Popping candy, Minion sherbet dip. Ice Pop Fly Prime chocolate. Let's see what's in this one. Sour Patch Kids. Strawberry Watermelon Prime. Such a nice flavour. Alright, let's try this light out. Wow, that's actually so cool. Back to the opening. Wow, those stickers are fire. Holographic and shiny. We got UFC, WrestleMania, Venice Beach. We got Prime boys.
We got blue raspberry, we got ice pop, we got tropical punch, we got all.
That's cute. Wow, there's a lot in here too. Dodgers Prime, Juicy Drops, Zombie Takis, Fuego Takis, Flaming Hot Cheetos, Prime Stick, some Vimto cotton candy, Lucky Charms. These are so good. I never tried this before. I wonder what country this is from.
Prime cookies. I wish I could make these. We got a glowberry cookie, ice pop cookie, orange cookie, and a Dodgers cookie. I wonder what this is. I don't want to rip the Prime. primeshelf.co.uk. Alright, let's see what's in here. Hi Prime Creations, we hope you like our Prime drink shelf as much as we do. Here is an exclusive discount code for your subscribers. Nice.
That's fire.
They even gave me some free tropical punch Prime. Absolute legends. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I'll put the shelf up, let's see what it can hold. Can it hold one Prime card? What about two? What about three? Okay, no way it will hold four. Wow, that's insane. If you do want a shelf, go to primeshelf.co.uk and use code PrimeCreations10 for a discount. They have it available in blue, red, orange, green, white and other colours. Okay, back to the opening. This from one of your fans. Thanks for the order by Turkey VR. Oh, thank you, I appreciate it. Shout out to Turkey VR. Drop him a sub on YouTube, please, guys. Okay, so we got a orange Prime keyring. That's cool, I like it. Okay, nice, a glowberry display. That's so cool, I'm going to put this with my collection. My collection is a bit messy because I am sorting out shelves at the moment, but it's ready to be added. Okay, so this is everything we got. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody for your support. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and Merry Christmas.